Congratulations to Bob, known as iwire, on becoming a moderator of Mike Holt's National Electrical Code Forum. His contributions to the forum have been extremely valuable. It's anticipated that he will continue to contribute his knowledge and expertise in this new role. The forum looks forward to working with him and the other moderators to maintain the forum as a valuable resource for the electrical community. The role of a moderator is to monitor discussions and step in if any discussion breaks the forum rules. A moderator has the ability to edit or remove any post, relocate or remove an entire thread, and these actions are taken when necessary. Mike Holt has asked the moderators to prevent the use of the forum by people who are not electricians seeking help with do-it-yourself projects. Moderators are also instructed to prevent people from seeking information to help them win a lawsuit. The moderators are to prevent any discussion from turning into a political debate or a discussion of union versus non-union topics. The moderators are asked to remove any post that advertises a product or service for sale and remove email addresses and phone numbers to protect the privacy of the members. The goal is for the forum to be a vehicle for open and honest discussions of professional issues by members of all parts of the electrical profession. Bob's deep understanding of electrical construction and maintenance, combined with his awareness of his limitations and knowledge of the code, makes him well suited for the role. His ability to cite references to back up his statements and his willingness to admit when he has made an error are valuable qualities. These are some of the key qualities looked for when someone needs technical information or professional advice. These are also among the reasons he was appointed as a moderator. These qualities are valuable in the role of moderator, helping to ensure the quality and integrity of the discussions on a forum.